Yeah, good morning, guys. It's your guy GOT once again, and today I'm going to start our everyday IT tutorial. Let me first, as usual, hide my desktop background. So, yeah. Mhm. And music, yeah, it's actually pretty mixed up here. So, the good thing about it is if you have music MP3 here and you use Groove Music as your default player. I need a sponsor to buy me a new PC because this one is really slow. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is if you have Groove Music and you like Groove Music like my friend Macville, shout out to you Macville. Yeah. So if you have Groove Music here and you see it's nothing to show here because I don't know where to find music. By default it's supposed to pick the music from the music folder here, as we have here, the music folder here. But because there's nothing MP3 nature here, it doesn't know where to find it. So I let my kid sister give me some files. Let me get those MP3 files. So yeah, it's too loud. I prefer daddy way the pampa. What do you say? Let's go. Where are those files? Okay. So yeah, let me quickly drop it here. Now, let's watch the magic happen. Let's see. No song still. Should we open group again? Yeah, and it just automatically added it. It's not magic, it's not science, please. It's just a tech. So let's enjoy Daddy with the Pampa. Yeah. Nice gospel song by Gospel Bliss.
Even when I fall your hand, you're still there.
Even when I fall your hand, you're still there on my hand.
You know
Yeah,
they break my
we'll continue
heart.
later. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe and tune in for more. Goodbye for now. Everyday IT, the #1 IT service.